so bored. Look, man, what I would give to go down to the Muffords farm and ride a tractor. God.
You and your tractor rides. What's this?
What is that?
Free tractor ride for 3?
What?
Sweet.
Now, who should I take?
Take Alex and David.
Yeah!
Get the tools ready, it's about to go down. Everybody in the place is the farming dirt.
But stay on your very farming toes.
We ready this, let's go.
I'm on a tractor. I'm on a tractor. Everybody look at me, cause I'm riding on a tractor. I'm on a tractor. I'm on a tractor. Take a good hard look at the green and yellow tractor.
I'm on a tractor, berry farmer, just look at me. Straight plowing on a tractor that you can see. Up to 5 kilos, wind chill will be a factor. You can't stop me, dairy farmer, cause I'm on a tractor.
Take a picture trick. I'm on a tractor slick. I'm drinking Pepsi iced tea cause it's so crisp. I got my overalls and my gummy booties.
I'm riding on a deer, I'm mowing lawns and stuff. This year's rolling and it makes the ride all bumpy and rough. But these ain't flower gardens, what? This is real as it gets. I'm on a tractor, berry farmer, don't you ever forget.
I'm on a tractor and it's going slow and I passed the agricultural program. I'm the queen of the land.